Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very simple and beautiful lace pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies sweaters, shawls, frocks, caps, baby blankets. From front side our pattern will look like this. This pattern is very elastic. From back side our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 3 stitches and plus 2 stitches for the edge. This pattern is of only 2 rows. For demonstration I have taken 11 stitches, slip edge stitch and then yarn in front and loop stitch from wrong side without releasing stitch, thread in back and then again loop stitch from front side. Here we have created 2 loop stitches, 1 and 2. Now knit 3 stitches together from back side. Here we have created 3 stitches out of 3 stitches. First 2 loop stitches and then knit 3 stitches together. Now second repeat, yarn in front and loop stitch between next 2 stitches from wrong side. Now yarn in back and again loop stitch from front side and now knit 3 stitches together from back loop. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, yarn in front, loop stitch between 2 stitches from wrong side, yarn in back, again loop stitch from same place from front side. Now knit 3 stitches together from back loop. This is our last repeat pattern. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row, slip edge stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Purl last edge stitch also. Here we have completed our second row of the pattern. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends.